Hey everyone! Welcome back to DG Learn. Today, we've got an incredible story about Martin Lewis, the man who turned just £100 into a multi-million-pound success while helping millions of people save money. Let's dive in. Martin Lewis is a journalist, TV presenter, and author, known for his expertise in managing and saving money. He's made a career out of helping people spend wisely, make the most of their money, and most importantly save it. But how did it all start? Well, back in 2003, Martin had an idea. He invested just £100 to hire a web designer in Uzbekistan to create his money-saving website. And guess what? It took off. Soon, thousands of people were visiting the site, eager to find the best deals and discounts. The website became a go-to guide for smart shopping, showing people the best times to buy, where to find discounts on clothes, holidays, and even which banks offered the best loans. It made life more affordable for thousands of families. As word spread, the site became wildly popular. Over 13 million people were using it every month. That's huge. And in 2012, Martin sold the website for a staggering £87 million. But here's the amazing part. He didn't just walk away rich, he kept helping people. Since selling the site, Martin has donated more than £12 million to charities that support financial education and well-being. That's the kind of impact we love to see. So, what can we learn from Martin Lewis's story? First, even a small investment can turn into something life-changing. And second, helping others along the way makes success even sweeter. If you enjoyed this story, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. And hey, share your best money-saving tips in the comments below. Let's learn from each other.
Does an author write books or build houses? Can an author create stories and articles? Is J.K. Rowling an author? If someone has expertise, do they know a lot or a little about something? Can a doctor have expertise in medicine? Do you need practice to have expertise? Is a career something you do for a long time or a short time? Can teaching be a career? Do people usually work hard to build a career? When you invest money, do you spend it or try to grow it? Can you invest in a business? Do people hope to make more money when they invest? If a website took off, did it become popular quickly or slowly? Did a lot of people start using it? Does take off mean to fail? If you're eager to learn, do you really want to or not care? Are eager people excited? Can you be eager to try new food? Does a discount mean you pay more or less? Do people like discounts? Can a store give discounts on clothes? Does smart shopping mean spending money wisely or carelessly? Do smart shoppers look for discounts? Can smart shopping help you save money? Is a loan money you borrow or money you give as a gift? Do you need to pay back a loan? Can you get a loan to buy a house or a car? Is huge something very big or very small? Can a business have a huge success? Is huge always about size? If a price is staggering, is it very high or very low? Would you be surprised by a staggering amount of money? Can a staggering success mean a big success? When you donate, do you give money or borrow money? Do you expect to get the money back? Can people donate to charities? Is well-being about feeling good and healthy? Can money help with your well-being? Is well-being only about physical health? If something has an impact, does it change things or keep them the same? Can a person's work have a positive impact? Is impact always big?